Microsoft Dynamics 365 is Microsoft's all-in-one business platform, blending CRM and ERP into one cloud-based system. It covers everything from sales, marketing, and customer service to finance, supply chain, and HR. So instead of juggling multiple apps, companies can manage their operations in one ecosystem. A big selling point is its AI integration, with Microsoft's Copilot built into Dynamics 365. Users get AI-powered insights, predictive forecasting, and automated report generation, and even natural language commands to speed up daily tasks. For example, sales teams can get lead scoring and suggested actions, while finance teams can generate forecasts without crunching spreadsheets. The pros: first, deep integration with Microsoft 365 and Teams makes collaboration seamless. Second, the modular structure means you only pay for the apps you need, whether that's sales, marketing, or finance. Third, the AI features have serious time on repetitive workflows. The cons: it comes with a steep learning curve, especially for smaller businesses. Licensing and customizations can get expensive, and setup often requires dedicated IT or partner support. Some users also mention performance lags with larger data sets. Bottom line, Dynamics 365 is best suited for medium to large organizations that need a unified system with strong AI-driven insights. For smaller teams, lighter CRMs like HubSpot or Zoho may be easier and even cheaper to run.